Hey guys, welcome to the install vid of our new front plated LSD. We're going to run you through how to install it and how to set it up. First job, we're going to yank the motor out. So we got the gearbox out of the car. The next step we need to do is pull it apart and take the factory LSD out. Now if you're not sure how to do this, there's a very good workshop manual available online, and we'll put the link in the description. So this is the LSD here, this is how it will arrive. I should make it known that this is not made by us, this is made by Dodson's Performance here in New Zealand. They're well known for making GTR transmissions. Got a very high standard of engineering and something we fully support and put our name behind. They've asked us to sell us due to our involvement with the GT4 community. These bolts here are used for the assembly. This here is the LSD. These 3 bolts here are just used for shipping. So you can see here, these are our friction plates. So obviously they're staggered, so you've got these dogs to gauge on your outer casing, and every second plate will have inner dogs, just typical of any plated LSD. And we can see here your ramps. So this is set up right now for a 1.5 way, so we've got an aggressive ramp here and a less aggressive ramp here. Now if we want, we can switch it to a 2-way. You can see now we've got an aggressive ramp rate both under deceleration and acceleration. Now there's no right or wrong way to do it. It comes down entirely to personal preference, vehicle setup and aggressiveness of the car. We're going to set this up for a 1.5 way. So that's how it should be, like that. And we can see down here, we can see the output shaft to the left hand wheel, and this spline here will go to the right hand wheel. And when we install this back in, we need to make sure that these slots line up with these slots down here. So as it comes with one of these washers, this will determine some of the preload. We've got a more aggressive, thicker washer here, which we can change if we want. Alright, so we're going to show you how to put it back together now. So we've got our conical washer, got a bit of lube on there already. We have our clutch packed, again already lubed. Drop that into the casing, and we'll square up all the dogs, get them lined up. We've got our cage here, clean that up. drop that in. We've got our output gear here. A little bit of a lube, and we'll drop that in. There we go. Now we want to drop in our spider set. Now we want this cut out. We can see they're different. We want this facing up. So we're going to drop this into the 1.5 way ramps. Like so. Make sure they sort of feel right. Give these a bit of a lube. Now we've got our output gear here. Give this a bit of oil as well. We've got the other side of our cage. We want to make sure that we line this up with the corresponding ramps. And then finally we have our other side of the clutch pack. I'm going to alternate these plates. Now we want to put on our speedo drive gear. And finally, our rear casing. Now we've got dogs here that which need to line up with the center casing. So these 6 cap screws here are torqued up to 45 Newton meters. I'm going to put this in my lathe so I can hold it. It's quite a hard thing to hold. The ring gear should just slip on like that. We've pressed our bearings on already. You need to use a hydraulic press to get those on. So these bolts here are torqued to 124 Newton meters as per the Toyota manual. The car's back together, we've driven it, we've tested it at a local rally sprint, and we're extremely happy with how it performs. If you're after one of these, please get in contact with us at agileperformance.co.nz or find us on Facebook.